Apart from being free, one of the many other great things about Linux is the help that established users kindly give to people moving away from other operating systems to Linux. I am currently working on 10 Linux Mint topics to make video tutorials about. If you need more time to read this, press the spacebar to pause and play, or the J key to go back 10 seconds. If I haven't got time to make a video answering your question, I will endeavour to answer it in comments below this video. I foresee making about 80 videos in my aptly named YouTube channel, Linux Mint 1080 Tutorials. Please limit your questions to Linux Mint, as I am not familiar with other versions of Linux. Regularly check in comments below this video to find answers to your question and hopefully answers to other people's questions. If you think this video could also be helpful to other Linux Mint users, please give it a like. And subscribe to this channel to be notified when I next upload a Linux Mint video tutorial.